Yellowstone National Park. Magazine article. Yellowstone National Park is our country's first national park. It is a large park. Parts of it are in 3 states: Wyoming, Montana, and Idaho. The park is famous for its natural wonders, such as waterfalls, hot springs, and geysers. There are many reasons to visit Yellowstone National Park. One is to see the many geysers. A geyser is a natural hot spring that sprays steam and hot water into the air. The most famous geyser is Old Faithful. It can prove to you that it deserves its name. About every 90 minutes, Old Faithful blasts a steady stream of boiling water high into the sky. Another reason to visit the park is to see hot springs and thick mud pots. The mud pots are pools of hot, muddy water. Don't dive in, though. Some are as hot as boiling water. Yellowstone is home to many animals. You may be able to get a close look at a herd of wild bison, sometimes called buffalo, from your car. Many years ago, hunters were an enemy of the bison. Now the bison in the park are protected. Elk, moose, bears, and wolves are among the other animals that live in Yellowstone. Eagles too soar through its skies. Visitors should remember not to bother, feed, or frighten the animals in the park. People can walk on the park's many miles of smooth walking trails. People can also camp, boat, and horseback ride. Visitors should pack a map, water, and camera. It is a good idea to seal the camera in a plastic bag to protect it from water. Yellowstone has many amazing things to see. No wonder over 60 million people have visited this special place.